explain the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation ax square bx plus c equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here the degree of this equation is 2. Here highest power, here x square, here x power 1. This means I write another form, ax square bx. Here x means x to the power of 1 into c here into x to the power of 0 equal to 0. Here observe, x power 1 means x power 0 means 1. Okay, here a, b, c are constants. Here a, b, c are constants. Here x is the variable. X is the variable, a, b, c are constant. Here x degree is the x, here x power 0, x power 1, x square. Here highest degree is 2. So this equation is quadratic equation. Here x square coefficient is a. X coefficient is b. Here constant term, constant is c. Here x square coefficient is a, x coefficient is b, c is the constant. Okay, this is the quadratic equation and terms. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. D is denoted by D. Discriminant denoted by D or delta. Discriminant denoted by D or delta. Okay, here discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Delta equal to b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant D or delta, denoted by D or delta. Ax square plus bx is a quadratic equation. B square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Discriminant denoted by delta or D. Okay, next one. Plus c equal to 0. Okay, so roots. What are the roots? Here, roots of quadratic equation x equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. Here d means discriminant, b square minus 4ac. I write another way, x equal to minus b plus or minus root over p square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this is roots of quadratic equation. Here in the middle plus or minus. Here also. Okay, it is the formula for roots. Minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. Here three cases. Here three cases. First one, b square minus 4ac. That means discriminant. Discriminant 0. What happened? Discriminant greater than 0. What happened? Discriminant less than 0. What happened? What is the nature of quadratic equation? Here b square minus 4ac. Here three cases. Here b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here real roots. Quadratic equation, real roots. Real roots. Two real roots. Next one. Here b square minus 4ac, that means positive. This is the positive value. Two distant real roots. Real roots. Here two distant real roots. Discriminant positive, two distant real roots. Equal to 0, two real roots. Here less than 0, that means it is the negative value. Discriminant negative, that is the no real roots. No real roots. This is the nature of quadratic equation. Nature of quadratic equation. Discriminant 0, real roots. Discriminant positive, distant real roots. Two distant real roots. Discriminant negative, less than 0, that means no real roots. Once again, explain. Discriminant 0, real roots, that two real roots are equal. Discriminant positive, two distant real roots. Discriminant negative, no real roots. Okay, three cases here. Nature of quadratic equation. Okay, here degrees 2, so values are also 2. Two real roots equal two distant real roots, two no real roots.